Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also today's video is going to be about searching for a pumpkin here. I'm here at the pumpkin patch place, but it seems like it's majority of it's for kids. Okay, you guys, we're just now driving up to the pumpkin patch area. This is my first time actually going here, so I wanted to see what it looks like, but so far it's actually pretty popular. I don't want to park too close, but I'm gonna park right down here, away from everybody else. But look at that view. Oh my goodness. Look. That's the Sandias. That's beautiful. Beautiful. I know this is going to be kind of weird for me because it's just going to be me. That's cute. Look how cute. Just waiting in line. I'm just gonna buy a pumpkin. Yeah. Where do I grab him? From the other side? Oh, okay, gotcha. Is it okay if I record?
I don't know with the children here. As long as you don't get kids in it. Yeah.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Okay.
So we're ready to go search for a pumpkin. Yes. Look at these really cool ones right here. Let's see. Look how cute that looks like. Okay, let's see. Look how cute that looks. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do a little thumbnail. But I just decided to pick up a pumpkin here, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and choose which one, but I haven't decided yet. But look at this really cool background. It is so cool. I like this whole look, but trying to decide which one I should get. I don't know yet. This one looks kind of like a cool one here. I like this way this one sits right now. Like you could put the face right here. Look at it, this kind of looks like the back of the head. But yeah, this should probably work. We're not gonna eat them or anything, but it's gonna be like decorating. I don't know which one I'm gonna choose. No. I don't know yet. But I like the way they decorated the whole thing. Look at this one. This one looks kind of scary. Ooh, look at that one. Ooh, I like the way this one looks too. Okay, those ones are actually the smaller ones over there. Yeah. I don't know which one. I think I want to go ahead and do this one here. This one, let's see. Or did I see it? Oh, this one. This one, I like the way this one looks. And yeah, I think I'll take this one. But I wanted to see how well it's gonna look like. Yeah, cool, we found a pumpkin here. I like the way this looks. I'm gonna go check out right now. Stay tuned, you guys. You guys, with that pumpkin that I purchased from the pumpkin patch place, so we went ahead and decided to do a pumpkin carving. So we chose a witch. I don't know if you can see it.
There we go. Yeah. Looks like it.
I think it took us about like 30-40 minutes. And so far it came out pretty good without the saran wrap, right? Yeah. Okay, so it was from this booklet, is the Pumpkin Master. So it was like at the very beginning, but this is the process of how to do it. You pretty much put it underwater and apply it to the pumpkin, and after that you wrap it with the saran wrap. Then you start cutting the edges, and that's exactly what we did.
We didn't put the saran wrap though, we just taped it.
We didn't put the saran wrap, but it comes with the tools, the cup. There's about 3 different size tools, something like this, and then of course you got this scoop here, and then the little pin. We didn't have that one, so we ended up using a nail instead, but it didn't take us very long to do.
Clean it up later. We got all this done, right, babe? Not all the way. That was good. Turn it off. I'm just gonna touch it up a bit.
We are finally done. This is what it looks like. Look how amazing that looks.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe.